1, 2, 3, come on.
Okay, Emmett. Later we pass by to the aunt house.
I don't want.
Okay. Why you all everything is the one?
The aunt house, because they're going to be big.
Why is what happened if ever have big aunt house? Why?
No, the two.
And then okay, we pass by far away, and then after that, okay, Uncle, say thank you. Thank you. They collect the garbage today. So now it's some traffic here. Uncle, hurry up, come out. And then Emmett and Tita will pass. Bye. Uncle, go. Say bye. Bye-bye, Uncle. See you other time. Emmett and Tita is going to where? Going to school. Wait, we must check first if ever have bike or what? What are you doing? Later we want to pass by to the mall, or you want to pass by to the bicycle ramp? Bicycle ramp? Why we need to pass by there? Are you crazy? Miss Emmett is crazy boy? Can you sing a song, Bahay Kubo, and then after that I don't want to pass by you to the mall there. And then after that, you know or you don't know? You don't know? Last time you sing a song, Bahay Kubo, now you don't know ah? Ako ay may lobo. Di ko na kita. Then? Louder. If ever you never sing properly, I talk there to your mom. Hurry up. Ako ay may lobo. Hurry up. Then inside. Then kung pagkain sana, nabusog pa ako. Pink bus! The pink bus is coming here. Yes, a lot of heavy equipment. A lot of bicycle. Food panda. Uncle also is very fast to run your bicycle. Why? It's going too late. Baby's uncle, it's very late, right? Correct or not? Later he'll fix you. Here is Tita again. Everybody is very busy to going to school. But Emmet is not busy because Emmet only sit down. Right? Emmet is very lazy to walk. You must cover your nose, Matt. I mean to say your mask you must put properly. Yes, good. Wow. Tita and Emmet, what? Let's go. We must hurry up. How many minutes more? I cannot see the timing. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We must stand up hermit so that's why it's not hot. Say hi to the baby. Hi. Say hi. You go school? You go school, boy? The pink bus again is coming. Oh. Nakakaantok ang init. Grabe. Nakagising ko lang pero parang inaantok na naman. Are you feel sleepy? Yan. Dito sa Singapore, kabilaan yung paayos ng kalsada. Kahit na maayos pa yung kalsada, wala pang butas-butas. Ayusin na naman ulit. Pero hindi kagaya sa atin. Wala lang kalsada. Butas-butas pa. At saka puputi pa. Tama, Emmet? Yes? Tita is correct or not? Yes? Yes, right. So are you a good boy or not good boy? Good boy? Are you handsome boy? Are you handsome or what? No? You want now? You want what? Oh, you want ugly boy. Ito yung nakapila na ito, yung mga tao na ito, yung may bus na kumukuha. Mga estudyante ito ng international school. So, ibig sabihin, mga rich na mga people. Ito lahat. Sorry.
I saw a raffle away.
train. The train is go already. Yun, international school yun. Halo-halo yung mga estudyante. Yun. Labas naman yung isang train. Sabay-sabay na sila. Sus! And then the two train is come out now. Why like that? It's a train station there at the side. Near our place. Is it? Ahmed? What you say? I tell you right, you must tell to mommy and daddy you must cut your hair because your hair is very thick. It's not nice. It's not good look already, right? Your hair is very thick already. You must tell to mommy and daddy you cut your hair. You go to shop and then cut your hair. So that's why Ahmed is become handsome again, right? So if ever like that your hair, how to become handsome? Correct or not? Yes? Maaga kami ngayon kasi may sports do siya. So yung problema kasi sa kanya, kung malate siya punta sa school na kung sa outdoor sila, umiiyak siya, nalulungkot kasi yung ginagawa ko, dinadala ko na lang siya doon sa site na kung saan yung mga classmate niya, teacher niya, at saka kung doon na kami, ayaw niya, iwanan ko siya. Gusto niya nasasama na ako sa kanya. Kaya ngayon early kami pumunta para at least mamaya na kasama yung mga classmate niya lalabas sa school. Am I right? Correct or not? Yes? Emmett, what bus the number 89? Number 89 bus going to where? Going to where? Cannot pass because it's a time already red light. Don't play, Mac. Don't play. I said to you, later we pass by there to the mall, Okay, don't be naughty. Must be a good boy, right? The dog is coming again. Nakakaantok ang ihit. Ay, nako. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the zoo. also to pass by to the bridge. Because you know why? Tita is dizzy. Tita is giddy. Oh, see? What you doing? Yeah? Is it? Tita is very sleepy. Because you know why? The sun bright is very sleepy. It's a new day dawning. It's time to see who's okay. I let you down. Yun. Nagsisimula na naman ang spring season. Yung mga dahon, nagkalaglagan. Yan. Simula na naman yung spring season. Yan. Ang dahon. Nagsilaglagan. Yung mga kahoy. Nagsidilaw. Simula na naman yung spring season. Yan. Ano naman po kung halimbawa tag-ulan na naman, babalik na naman yung mga dahon. Kaya medyo makalap ngayon yung daming dahon na lalaglag. Pero everyday naman ito inawalisan. Tinatanggal tong mga kahoy. Ito lang ang pinakaganda sa Singapore. Yan yung ano yun, parang ano yun, fertilizer na compost ba, galing yan sa sa dahon ng mga kahoy na pinangwawalis nila at saka ginigiling, at the other side ginagawa nilang nilalagay din nila sa sa puno ng mga kahoy para at least na may fertilizer yung mga kahoy rito. Kaya yung mga kahoy dito magagandang tubo, tapos talaga sa dilig. Yan. Parang kala mo sa atin damo ito, pero dito sa kanila special ito. Tinatanim ito, dinidiligan ito. Yan. Kaya gusto niya dito kami dadaan sa bicycle rin. Yan. Papasok na kami sa school. Yeah. Still wet. dito sa gilid ng poste para hindi ako yon. Pauwi na ang Konyang. Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta si Lolo. Lumiko na nga ako, lumiko pa rin siya. Yun. Pauwi na siya ako. It's the same way sa pag-uwi ko. Pwede naman ako makadaan sa ibang way, pero mas pinili ko rito. Pero ngayon dadaan ako sa ibang daan na hindi ko pa nadaanan. Hindi ko pa nakakita sa inyo. Dadaan ako sa tabing ilog. Sa tabing ilog. Daming ano? Ay, tinanggal yung ano rito. Tinanggal yung mga puno rito na ano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OMG. Tinanggalan nila ng tinanggal na dito. Siguro kung makita nyo sa ano, sa yung vlog ko nung nakaraan, puro yan dito kahoy na malalaki, yung acacia. Yan. Pero pinutol ito, wala nang ano, wala nang sanga. Ito naman pinutol na. So sayang man. Alam niyo ba na yung acacia, yun ang pinakamagandang puno sa buong mundo? You know why? Bakit? Kasi yung acacia, kaya niya mag ano ng hangin na mga madumi, tapos ipalabas niya dito, ipalabas niya ulit, sobrang linis na. Kasi sinisip-sip niya yung mga hindi magagandang mga sinisip-sip niya yung mga hindi magagandang ano, amoy. Dito ako dadaan pala. Dito ako dadaan ulit. Kasi doon ako dadaan sa gilid. Yung mga ano nila dito, yung mga walis, kawayan. Pero maganda siya ha, magaling din nga siya na iwalis siya sa ano, sa mga dahon-dahon kaysa sa walis ting-ting. Yung ibon lagi na lang tumutulog ng gano'n. Hindi na patagod. Sa tuwing dumadaan ako rito, gumaganyan siya. Woo! Woo! A part of school. Yun. Dito ako dadaan sa kabilang tulay. Hindi ako dadaan sa dito ako dadaan, guys. Ayan, dito ako dadaan sa New Way.